못해. I'm gonna be cutting my hair. So let's just get right to it. I'm just going to gather all of my hair and I'm going to put it on the top of my head. Ow! I don't know anything about hair cutting or whatever. We're just gonna go right to cutting. How do you... Did I get it? What the heck is this baby hair? This is the best I can do. What the heck is that? That's gonna be uneven. Are you ready? So uneven. Oh my god. What is this? Wait, hold up. That is like genuinely, this is the worst thing I've seen in my life. What the heck is that? Yo. What? That is a big no-no. What did I just do? Okay, I'm gonna cut some of this. I'm cutting over the toilet. I'm not cutting over the floor. Okay, I'm done. Wait, I don't know how to react to this. This used to be on my head. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. It's so like uneven. What is this? Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. You know, it's okay. I'm not gonna see people other than my family. We have actually a family lunch tomorrow. My head feels really light. I literally can't believe I chopped this much off. I'm so confused. I'm having a mental breakdown. I don't know how to explain it. It's like this part is short and then this part is long. So this is, I look like a rock star. Like, you know, like those people? Barely. I look so ugly. Oh. What's happening? Like, it's short in the front and it's long in the back. Why is it so uneven? No, it's layered. How do you feel? Are you confused? Like if I put the short hairs only in the front, I look like a lion. But if I kind of put it to the back, it doesn't look as bad, right? It's not. I did it myself.
근데 그거를 똑바로 잘랐어야 되는데 네가 좀 삐뚤어 잘라서 되는 거 아니야?
I would do it if I lived alone.
You would do it if you lived alone? Okay, you know what? This is the end of the video. I don't know what else to do with this. Maybe I'll make a couple Instagram pictures. That looks really awkward. Wait. It's really short here and then like super long here. And I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna grow it out. Whatever.